Hey, what's happening, guys? Birdman 316 here again with the Les Paul Jr. by Epiphone. Here we go. Check it out, check it out. There we go. Now where you can see it better. It also has Epiphone neck plate on here. Alrighty. Now this is the one that I featured yesterday in the sneak peek. All you got is your bridge pickup, volume and tone. They say that a single pickup guitar might actually make you a better guitar player because you don't have your neck pickup and you have to make this sound different than your normal 2 pickup version, or even like a Strat style 3 pickup version or whatever. So means you have to really use your volume and your tones to manipulate your sound. It's weird and clean. There's nothing going on. We have the sweet cream on the floor. We're running through the crate GX15R. There you go. We're clean now. Roll this tone off a little bit, see what we got. Okay, now volume is all the way up. Tone is, I'm guessing tone's back about halfway or so. Well, maybe a little more than halfway, but we'll run it all the way up there. We're going to add the normal overdrive of the amp, the stock overdrive. Let's close that a little bit so that the neighbors won't be disturbed too badly. We don't want to be reported to the police at about 6:30 in the morning, so. Stock overdrive of the amp. Now here we go. See how that cleaned up? I just rolled the volume back. I'm not sure what number it's on because it's kind of tough to see those numbers. But anyway, we rolled the volume back. Let's roll the tone off, see what happens. Okay, now we're leaving the volume and tone where it is, where it's even cleaned up. Now we're going to add the sweet cream on top of the amp's own reverb. Not reverb, but the overdrive, and just we're going to hear if we can get it to distort without touching this. Yep, we got a little distortion here. Yeah, it's still cleaned up. I rolled the volume back even more. Just by bringing the tone back up, the overdrive is showing through, and you can hear it driving it. Check it out. Turn the tone down some more. That's wild, it goes away. Let's turn it all the way down, tone-wise. Turn the volume all the way up again. Tone's all the way off. Gnarly and mean. Tone's all the way up, volume's up. Sweet cream is on, and the overdrive of the amp is on. I got a new name for this. Okay, wow, what was that? What happened? Oh, sweet cream by itself, but added with the overdrive of the crate amp, I just call it sweet molasses, right? Let's get a load of how we sound now. Sweet cream is off. Still on the bridge pickup, well, because that's the only pickup on here. You don't see any other pickups on there. But this humbucker sounds, to me it sounds excellent. But I want that P90 vibe, because I think most of your original Les Paul Juniors, they came with a dog-eared P90, which it looks like little dog ears on there. It had like a little point on either side like that. So the closest thing I can get with this would be to put in a humbucker size P90, which is called a P94. That way I can simulate the tones, but still wouldn't have to butcher anything. See, if I was to put I could put a P90 in here, like a soap bar or a dog ear, but I would end up having to butcher into my scratch plate here. Don't want to do that. Don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just get a humbucker sized P90 and put it in there and check out what kind of tones I can get out of it. I mean, for a humbucker Les Paul Jr., this is not bad at all. Like I said, I give $120 for this thing in the pawn shop. Out the door, taxed everything, $120. And yes, my bills got paid. Don't worry about old Birdman just not paying his bills and playing. I'm just moving and borrowing and putting back. Everything's all good. Birdman's not going to be sitting in the dark, so everything's all good there. Let me check one more thing right quick here. Been trying to get this. Oh yeah, that relief feels just fine to me. It's just a little bit of a tick there. I'm going to turn the volume all the way down and check something. I'm not sure if I even gave you guys an acoustic play. Here we go. Sounds brighter here. Yeah. Pretty wild, eh? You know, I think that maybe I can come down just a tiny bit more with this tail bridge. We are back with no overdrive on or anything. Let's check. Nope, no overdrive or anything. All clean. Right back where we started. With the mid pickup. Then we moved over to the bridge pickup. Then we moved over to the bridge pickup again. I'm just messing with you guys. You can tell there's only one pickup in here. I gotta have fun with you guys. You're my friends. You're my family. And with that, I want everyone to do me a huge favor. Have a great day, have a great night wherever you are, and always remember, keep rocking, make the world a better place, guys. This is Birdman 316. Sayonara.